Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Can-Am RYKER 900 Rally. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Can-Am RYKER 900 Rally with 2,595 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and cruise control. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, an aftermarket intake, a front bumper, and a pedal commander. Powered by a 900cc Rotax 3-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. With a 5.2-gallon fuel capacity, the RYKER has a 120 to 150-mile range. It has a 23.5-inch seat height and a 616-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured the TRIKE's charging output at 14 volts, both front tires at 8/30 seconds and the rear at 7/30 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.